Alright, so...
Hold on. Hi.
No, I think I'll have you heal.
Hi, look at me. I'm making a cameo.
Which two do you want to hold?
Cameo of, I don't care.
If I have these two, you can even just sit down.
No, I'm not going to be sitting here like, look at me.
No, you're going to put your head over there.
Just get your hands in it.
Yeah, I just need your hands in it.
What do I do?
So I need to make this even bigger.
Tell me to remove things.
I need to make this.
I'll put it at the bottom.
No, have Harry come in like this and hold him like that.
Oh, God.
If he can.
I think it'd be better. You have long arms.
Wow! Get going. Get going. Okay. No, I need to... You're going to have to tell me where to be. Can I hold this by the lid?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, we're feeling dangerous today.
It's gonna fall and shatter.
Okay, tell me when.
In. Okay, this one there. This one. Yeah, it's not gonna work, but it'll be fun. Just don't move for a second. Don't move. Come behind me, Harrison. Hide behind me like a creeper.
Hold on, I'll get behind the couch.
Alright, just stand over here and we'll put him in.
Okay, you do that too.
You get in here, Charles.
I am
It's
getting
easier
here.
if you could see the screen.
Alright,
Hold it back. Well, hold on.
Yeah, I have to.
Tell me when and where.
See, it's hard for this one because he has to have a dark background.
Yeah.
Oh, well, we swap then. Well, no, he's on the dark background.
Yeah. Can't see this one. I have to put. Okay, now let's try to. I always move them all sorts of places and ways and stuff. You take this one. You take this one. I know I do. You should see my stupid videos. It's like ooh, you know. Yeah, that's good. No, that's good because he doesn't need to be too high because you know Lysol, which is great. You need to maybe like that. This and this.
Sinks, garbage cans.
Kind of want
I'm sorry.
So we all hold those way closer.
No, I gotta get Odoban, and that's why I go further back sometimes.
Yeah.
I cannot see. No, I know. I do them all over. Like, what do I do? Lysol needs to be turned. You can't see.
Alright, you need to twist it
like this.
How you pull it out? Pull it your way. There you go. Perfect.
Good.
Sorry, I can't see.
Don't talk. No, it doesn't matter. You can talk.
Shut your mouth.
Shut your mouth. I don't know how I'm going to get all the words in for this one.
You can't even shoot
But, okay, so let's see, what else can we do? What else can we do? I can balance two on my shoulder.
Well, why don't we just
and
do
hold the other two.
Well, why don't you hold your two in the middle?
I'll get that, Charles.
Can we pull the couch back out?
Don't you pull this closer?
Yeah, you can do that too.
You got that? Closer in.
Okay.
Is the red blinking?
No, I know. I'm trying to move it so that it... What's red blinking?
There's just a little light back here.
Oh, okay. All right,
so
the bomb is red blinking.
It's a bomb.
I've got the Purell on my shoulder, but he's not
I think
showing very well.
I'll get like a meter stick. And
We can put the yellow. No, maybe the Lysol. The yellow might do better on my shoulder.
The yellow. You said keep your arms up.
I know. Well, I might need you guys to put it on while I'm holding these, so that my shoulder is like staying in the same position.
Don't move.
Okay, now this has to. I know, but I need to be able to get.
I can't see it though, so.
Well, you can turn the thing.
Can I?
Yeah, just unplug the microphone. Unplug.
Unplug the microphone.
I'm being
now
gentle.
You can turn it.
More like a macro.
And you have to just move the dangly.
Moving the dangly.
Why do you put it backwards?
Why do I put what backwards?
This backwards.
So that I can adjust it while I'm sitting here. Tell me what to do.
It's beautiful.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna move this.
I don't know what you're supposed to do with this. You might want to move the force of nature towards the window.
Well, you do it then.
No, I don't care.
Oh, fine. Yeah, move it like that. Okay, yeah, also like that.
Yeah, tilt it out, sorry. Perfect, it's beautiful.
I don't know what you normally do for thumbnails.
Jake, just keep it still so I can just make faces.
Make faces.
No. Sometimes I make a...
Now do like a YouTube. There it is.
Thumbnail.
Holy crap.
Make Harrison face.
I can't do a Harry face.
It's this way.
When you try to laugh, but your friend looks at you like...
Mm-hmm.
It's fine. Don't we still spin around for you?
Sure. I'll take a look at it.
Don't throw it the wrong way.
Okay. It's not the wrong way. It's the only way it goes.
Yeah, you have to be careful with this stupid thing.
The dangly.
The dangly.
Use the finder. Wait, is this a little microphone attachment port here? We can take the little cover off and put
I'll show you.
I think you
Keep
put
it
a.
up.
I think you do.
What's the stop one? This guy or the red one?
That red one.
Okay.